So here's an update on yesterday's selling position that we have taken. Bitcoin has completely gone against our position. Our view was upwards. You can see over here. And today Bitcoin has fallen 0.64%. But the way we had structured our whole selling, our position is still in positive. That's because if you look at the payoff diagram, as long as Bitcoin stays below 99,450, our position stays positive. Now below 95,500, it should be negative around 59 pence, but this is when the contract fully expires. Right now, because of volatility and decay, our position is in positive 88 pence. I'm not going to exit the position completely. If I analyze Bitcoin over here, if I go to safer fear and greed and go to 6 month view, it is still in positive. And if we go on health, it has become negative, slightly negative over here. So all we have to do is wait for one more day and see how it reacts. Now this is a good thing about options. If you go wrong, you lose little, and if you're right, you do make good profits over here. So as of today, we'll be doing nothing. I will post an update tomorrow as well on this position. We have some more time for expiry. We have, let's see how much time is left. We have 3 days, 16 hours for this expiry. We will continue watching this position and see, let's see what happens tomorrow. Our view is still on upside.